The tuna tartare was very tasty.
Enjoyed a little bit of the duck.
So tender. Just,
I had a Samoa cheesecake. It is so good.
It's homemade, you know, but it's homemade here in the restaurant. So I think those things shine through when someone gets on the plate.
The black and white bean soup is awesome.
it's half jalapeno jack cheese soup and the other half is a black bean based soup. It's awesome.
It was very good.
The way we cook is we want to put things out that we would eat, what I'd like to have somewhere else.
The steak was prepared to perfection.
It exceeded all expectations.
It had a balsamic glaze on it that was to die for.
The service was very nice.
I definitely would bring my family and friends again.
This is a non-corporate restaurant, husband and wife operation.
Hi, I'm Devin, and if you're looking for a great
Home cooking feel and down-to-earth restaurant.
And you're sick of going to corporate places.
Come over to the Armadillo Café
In Boca Raton, Florida.
You gotta come to Armadillo Cafe.
better come to the Armadillo.
The service is great, the food's always excellent. I can't recommend it enough.
Try it. Trust me. Thank me later.